Hey there, friends and fans of all things CNC machining. My name is Alyssa O'Brien, product engineer from OSG USA, and today I'm excited to talk to you about micro drilling solutions in conjunction with my friends and fellow CNC machining enthusiasts from DMG Mori USA and NSK America Corporation. Stay tuned because we've got some great information and products to share with you.
Drilling tiny holes brings about a unique set of issues to the drilling process. Due to the diameter size, lack of appropriate rigidity, and poor control of runout can leave the hole crooked, out of tolerance, or non-existent due to tool breakage. Additionally, with small diameter tooling, it's both common and difficult for customers to be able to reach RPMs high enough to maximize the potential drilling productivity. Stay tuned to learn about a trio of products that you can leverage to get the productivity and quality you need for your micro drilling applications.
Hello, my name is Eric Bennett and I'm a National Applications Engineer for DMG Mori. For today, we're going to be looking at our micro drilling demonstration on utilizing the DMG Mori NTX 1000 Precision Mill Turn Center. This machine is capable of simultaneous 5-axis machining utilizing milling and turning technologies. The machine features a vertical milling head with turning capabilities, a lower turret capable of XYZ translation, and 2 live turning spindles. The milling head is capable of travel across the entire machining bed and servicing both the primary and secondary turning spindles. The milling head is also standard at a 12,000 RPM with a 20,000 RPM option, all housed within our DMG Mori compact line spindle. This head also contains a motor-controlled clamping system, which allows us to load turning tools into the milling head and perform turning operations without having to load the lower turret. The primary turning spindle is capable of 5,000 RPM standard, and with a secondary sub-spindle capable of a 6,000 RPM standard. The secondary spindle can also act as a full tailstock and is capable of full translation across the entire machine bed, allowing for spindle-spindle part transfer. The lower turret features DMG Mori's built-in motor turret design, which allows for direct power transfer to live tooling. This allows us to reach much higher speeds and power than our competitors in normal live tooling turning centers. The lower turret is also capable of the full XYZ translation, as I mentioned before, for high-speed machining up to 10,000 RPM. This gives us the ability to perform simultaneous machining on both sides of a part in the single spindle, utilizing technologies such as pinch drilling, milling, and turning. DMG Mori is also looking ahead into the future for the Industry 4.0 standards. This end, we utilize our Silos control, which gives our users access to our Silos Club. The Silos Club contains many applications such as DMG Mori Messenger and Net Service remote support services. We also specialize in several automation options available for the NTX 1000 platform. The machine is capable of a standard automatic door with machine robot loading, but we have several integrated solutions available. This machine houses an integrated part removal system, which houses a gantry gripping system to enter the machine, unload and completed parts from the sub-spindle. The integrated modular robot system, not featured on this machine today, houses an entire robot system built into the design of the machine itself, allowing you to load and retrieve parts from either spindle within the machine, allowing for full unmanned operation. In summation, the NTX 1000 is a perfect platform for advanced 5-axis machining. The milling head and turning turrets allow for flexibility and increased production for even the most difficult projects. And with several automation options available and Industry 4.0 support, we can make sure your projects run at maximum efficiency.
Hi, I'm Mike Shea, Product Sales Manager at NSK America Corporation. We're on site today with OSG at DMG Mori running the new OSG ADO micro drills on an NTX 1000 multi-axis machine, using our brand new CTS 3030 cooled through electric spindle for micro drilling. The CTS 3030 is the first variable speed electric spindle made for deep hole micro drilling. We can effectively drill hole diameters 2 millimeter and smaller using through the tool coolant at pressures from 290 to 2900 PSI. With speed capability up to 30,000 RPM utilizing a 350 watt brushless DC motor and run out less than a micron, it should be your first choice for all your micro drilling applications.
Hey again, everybody. Alyssa here from OSG USA's Product Engineering Department. You already know it. We're talking about micro drilling today, and I'm here to talk about OSG's ADO micro drills. They're phenomenal, and let me tell you why. Super small diameter drilling can be a little scary, right? It's hard to see what's going on in there, and it's definitely hard to hear anything that's happening inside the machine when it's running. Rest assured that the additional features that OSG has put on this drill will help to lessen your anxiety. First off, this is a coolant-through micro drill. No longer do you have to worry if those little baby chips are being evacuated well enough, because now you have the added benefit of coolant through the tool to help push those chips out of the hole and keep the drill tip cool at the same time. On top of that, the OSG coolant holes are extra enlarged to offer a higher volume of coolant flow, giving you even more safety for chip flushing. OSG takes chip control seriously, so we have added a third additional feature to help facilitate the best coolant flow possible. We have hollowed out the shank of the tool to allow for a stronger, more concentrated coolant flow to the tool. Because of these features, we've experienced a 260% increase in coolant volume over conventional drills. These tiny drills seem so fragile, right? Like a breath of air is going to snap them off. To address this fragility of these types of tools, OSG has added a secondary set of margins, which essentially means that there are more hands to help stabilize the drill when it's inside the hole, reducing the likelihood of it bending and breaking, and also improving the straightness of the hole itself. Micro drills mean micro hole, micro chips, but do you know about micro sludge? Yeah, at these diameters, the dirt and coolant in chip shavings can create a type of sludge that builds up around the periphery of the tool. This is yet another cause of tool breakage. To alleviate this issue, OSG has ground a bit of extra space behind the margins to allow the coolant and sludge to effectively wash away, reducing the chances of the tool breaking.
We've put this dynamic trio to the test in alloy steel, stainless steel, and titanium and found stable chip evacuation and excellent hole tolerance, with every hole keeping to within 10 microns of nominal size. The tool life was spot on as well. Drilling 5xD in stainless steel, this 0.9mm drill made over 500 holes and still looked brand new. Even at the elevated spindle speed, the tool looked to be in great shape and provided double the productivity. Utilizing a quality combination of coolant-through machine, spindle, and tool, you too can achieve high-quality micro holes in record time.
Thank you all for watching our video on micro drilling solutions. If you would like more information on the products you've seen in this video, check out the websites and contacts in the description of the video below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to OSG, DMG Mori, and NSK America's YouTube pages to get all of our latest and greatest updates.